Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. I want to make this channel for people who wants to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this is you, follow my channel and subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Let's go on an art journey and grow up together. So today's topic is very simple. I want to share with you how to paint a landscape in watercolor with a pen. Here is my reference photo. I took a picture in Big Bear, California last winter. It was a very sunny day and cold outside. I had a good time with friends. Of course, I had prepared the painting materials and I had enjoyed painting outdoors. One of the beautiful photo here. We are going to paint this pink cabin. Looks so nice and cozy. So already I sketched on the watercolor paper with a 2H pencil. So next step is you should draw over the pencil line with a pen. If you want to use less watercolor, you'd better draw many lines with a pen to draw in contrast. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here are my beautiful materials for today's painting. So colors, this is brilliant pink ochre, and so this one is Prussian blue and cobalt blue for sky, and to cover water and brush it. Today is so simple paint, so I'm going to use only one this brush. Okay, and then also I will use micro O3 pen. Be able to use any brand of waterproof pen. Draw over the pencil lines. Use many type of lines, straight line and curve, hatching line, etc. Let's start to draw over the pencil lines. So use micro O3 pen, and here is a pink cabin and some trees behind this house. But so first draw with and just to outline it with the pen. And here is shadow from the front tree. So we're gonna color it after sketching. Here is ground and big tree here. This is trunk. So I'm using abstract lines. So you can use any type of the lines. And then I don't want to draw in detail. Just I'm focusing this pink cabin today. If you want to draw in detail, it's up to you. You can do it. But then I'm going to, I don't want to draw in detail with a pen. So just it's up to you. And then also, so don't try define everything here right now. So yeah, it's up to you. If you want to very detail and then you want to make contrast with the pen, yeah, you can try more. But my case almost done with the pen. Now I'm this tree removed from my painting because this one is if cover here. Yeah, I don't want that one too complicated, so I removed here. Okay, you can make a contrast with the pen almost. It's up to you. So I don't want too much color today, so I make a contrast with a pen. Okay, next step is color. So I'm going to use this mop brush. First, take some water. I try to first wash on the sky area. And then I don't want to accept this tree area. Take some cobalt blue, mix Prussian blue. Now this paper has too much water, a lot of water, so I'm touching with the thick density of color, just depths in the paper. And then they will spread, go all. I tilt the paper so that color go up. I want to make depths top of the roof out area here. This is house top roof, and then this is sky. Okay, next move on to the pink cabin. First get brilliant pink. And take some ochre, mix brilliant pink. Take a look these colors. This paper has a lot of water, and yeah, first wash the paper, and then this is a second layer for this cabin. Take a opera color, only the tip of the brush, and touching the corner of the house. And that color merging into brilliant pink color. Here is some shadow area, but I don't want too much color, so just a few touches for shadow, and then I'm gonna finish it. On the ground is some shadow from the next big tree, so just a few strokes, that's enough. Okay, I'm finished this painting. Yeah, if you wanna draw more in detail, you can do it, but I'm going to finish it now. So this is not a detail paint. So usually when I go to travel, I bring some materials, and I enjoyed painting time at that area. So okay, I'm finished this painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.